Tsaa means reindeer in Mongolian. The Tsaatan people are the reindeer herders. They live in northwestern Mongolia, not far from the giant Khusvgul lake, one of the largest freshwater lakes in the world. They're up near Russia. Siberia is just across the border. The Tsaatan are one of the last nomadic tribes, and they live in Tipis. They're a tough people. You have to be to survive up there. The temperature ranges from about -25 to -45 degrees Celsius in winter. There are only approximately 280 Tsaatan people left living in the traditional way. They do not have access to modern medical or educational facilities. The reindeer are their means of survival, and they use them for their meat, for clothing, and for transport. From Ulaanbaatar, the capital of Mongolia, it takes between 2 and 3 days to reach the Tsaatans. First stop is the city of Murun, a 1.5-hour flight. Thereafter, you get directly into a 4-wheel drive and head cross-country to TsagaanNuur, White Lake. And then, it's 1 to 2 days on horseback, depending on how fast you go. We organize tours to the Tsaatan people. The tours run mostly in the summer. You'll be able to experience firsthand what it's like to live without the modern world. You'll find out the role their shaman religious traditions play in their society. Experience their way of life, the way it always has been. You'll be able to go on reindeer rides and hikes in the wilderness and fish in the lakes. Get in touch with us to find out how you can experience their magical world.